Digitization is disrupting our world at an unbelievable pace. The way we interact, how we spend our time, and, more than ever before, how we eat. Now more than ever, consumers depend on technology to make food decisions in an instant, leaving disconnected restaurants and grocery stores behind. Online ordering has tripled in volume over the past 5 years, and almost 100 million Americans have actually ordered food through an app or website, and 50 million have ordered groceries online. Clearly, some Americans are more connected to technology and food than others. But is there a way to understand them better? Maru Matchbox set out to answer this question by speaking directly with restaurant guests to discuss their use of technology and food together, and uncovered 5 distinct segments of consumers based on their behavior. We want to introduce you to 3 of the key segments to watch: the digital food enthusiast, digital diner, and digital convenience buyer. The most tech-forward and food-loving restaurant goers are the digital food enthusiasts, which represent about 30 million Americans. Using digital devices to research, order, and review food is second nature to them, and their love of food means they'll always be grabbing for their phone for their next meal.
I think Uber Eats and Grubhub are great. I use them every once in a while, but I think just every restaurant, if they have their own app that you can place an order on in a matter of seconds, is the most important technology to me.
Digital food enthusiasts stay on the leading edge of technology and food trends, and they're not afraid to voice their opinions about restaurants online. Speaking directly with this unique group of consumers can help predict the future behaviors of the broader population as others get more comfortable with the technology. Just like digital food enthusiasts, digital diners love restaurants. But unlike the digital food enthusiast, technology is not second nature to them. Representing about 40 million Americans, it's more about the food than the technology for this segment.
The advancement would be the little kiosks, things that are on the table that you can pay with your credit card or a gift card for the bill. You can order drinks from, you can order desserts, I think you can order some food items.
For these restaurant goers, they are comfortable with advances in technology, but it's only a means to an end, and that end is a great dining experience. Then there are those who love their technology, but would never consider themselves foodies. Meet the digital convenience buyers, at about 25 million in the US today. While these consumers love the convenience that restaurant apps offer and are tech savvy enough to use them, they won't spend much time reading reviews because the food is not a priority for them right now.
The mobile apps. It's very easy to order food, to see the prices, to see any discount or deals.
These restaurant goers will use restaurant apps not because it helps connect them to their favorite foods, but because it fits within their overall tech-savvy lifestyle. The lightning-fast pace of disruption in technology can be seen in many different industries, including restaurants and grocery. Some love it, some hate it, and many are somewhere in between. This digital segmentation actively connects you to digital leaders easily on an insight community or ad hoc study. With this kind of constant disruptive change in the market, it is vital to learn about emerging trends to keep pace with the evolving digital consumer.